Hello everyone, a very good day again. Today our class will be on the letter M, and I want all of you to know that the letter M sounds as M. Very good. So shall we sing a song which starts with the letter M, like meals? So before that, I would like to read it out for you. Please listen carefully. The mom and the dad make many meals. Do you think it will be yummy? Yes, so. The mom and the dad make many meals for their hungry children. Okay? So let's start singing the song together. The mom and the dad make many meals. The mom and the dad make many meals for their hungry children. Shall we sing it one more time a bit faster? Come on, let's start. The mom and the dad make many meals. The mom and the dad make many meals for their hungry children. Can you make the letter sound? Can I show you how? What letter shall we learn? Let's find out now. This is a capital M. This is a lowercase m. You know how the M looks now. Let's make the letter M sound. Now let's sing some few words. I want all of you to listen carefully and remember the words which we are going to sing now. Is that clear? Yes, so let's start. M is for music. M is for magic. M is for Martimus. M is for milk. M is for monkey. M is for monsters. You know some M words now. Let's make the letter M sound. Yay, your turn. Very good. Now I want all of you to learn the sign language, which is your thumb crossing towards the three fingers and holding the pinky finger, and your three fingers coming down. Very good. So this is the letter M. Shall we start learning the words? Are you ready? I want all of you to participate with me, okay? So that I can enjoy teaching you all and you can enjoy learning it too. Are you ready? M is for mouse, mouse, mouse. M is for monkey, monkey. M is for mat, mat. M is for moon, moon. M is for mug, mug. M is for mushroom, mushroom. M is for mailbox, mailbox, mailbox. M is for M. Very good. I want all of you to do it one more time. Let's all do it again. M is for mouse, mouse, mouse. M is for monkey, monkey. M Very good. You have all done it so well. So, let's all wind up our classes for today with the letter M. And see you in the next class with a new alphabet, okay? So, bye. Thank you, class.